and this is Toddler Time. It's an early literacy program for babies and toddlers birth to 2.5. So let's get started. Can you show me your hands? Here we go. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Good job. Now let's shake them. Here we go. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this, this, this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Blow a little kiss, kiss, kiss. Good job. All right, now we're going to creep and crawl them up our neck. Here we go. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them, right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. Good job. All right, do you know London Bridge? Let's sing that song together. Here we go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Awesome job. Okay, so what we are going to do is we have some awesome new words about social distancing to this tune. They were written by the Lavender librarian, whose name is Kate Reynolds, and you can find her on Twitter. And so what is social distancing? Do you know? I know that's that is a big, big concept of basically, because we care about our friends, we want to give them 6 feet of space. So that's like a whole grown-up laying down on the ground, that much space. Wow, that's a lot of space. And that's really hard, right? But we can still play and we can still have fun. Here we go. Play with me 6 feet apart, feet apart, feet apart. Play with me 6 feet apart, safely at a distance. Wave to me 6 feet apart, feet apart, feet apart. Wave to me 6 feet apart, safely at a distance. Give me a big smile, because we can always smile, right? Even if we're wearing our masks. Smile at me 6 feet apart, feet apart, feet apart. Smile at me 6 feet apart, safely at a distance. All right, let's blow a kiss. Blow a kiss 6 feet apart, feet apart, feet apart. Blow a kiss 6 feet apart, safely at a distance. Good job, guys. All right, let's do some counting because our book today has lots of counting in it. So show me 5 superheroes. Here we go. 5 superheroes ready to fly. Here comes the villain. Stop that guy. This superhero can save the day. Off he flies, up, up, and away. Good job. So we had 5 superheroes, and now we're going to take away 1. How many superheroes do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 4 superheroes ready to fly. Here comes the villain. Stop that guy. This superhero can save the day. Off she flies, up, up, and away. Good job. So we had 4 superheroes, and now we're going to take away 1. How many are left? 3. 3 superheroes ready to fly. Here comes the villain. Stop that guy. This superhero can save the day. Off she flies, up, up, and away. Good job. So we had 3 superheroes, and now we're going to take away 1. How many do we have now? 1, 2. 2 superheroes ready to fly. Here comes the villain. Stop that guy. This superhero can save the day. Off he flies, up, up, and away. Good job. So we had 2. We took away 1. And now we only have 1 superhero left. Here we go. 1 superhero ready to fly. Here comes the villain. Stop that guy. This superhero can save the day. Off he flies, up, up, and away. Nice job, guys. All right, let's read this book. It's called I Love My Tutu Too, and it was written by Ross Burach. All right. Do you know what kind of animal this is on the cover? It's a bird. It's a bird that doesn't fly. It's a bird that likes to swim. Yes, it's a penguin in a tutu. And what color is that tutu? This is a pink tutu. Let's see what colors the others are. One tutu. I love my tutu. One. I love my tutu too. Who said that? Bear. I love my tutu too. You do? I do. Two tutus. What color is Bear's tutu? Purple. I love my tutu too. My teeny tiny tutu. Who's that? It's an ant. An ant wearing a teeny tiny tutu. Three tutus. We toucans love tutus too. Four tutus. We need more tutus. But who? I know a new with a new tutu. What's a new? We'll have to see. You do? I do. Who knew? Bear's going to call the new. The new's phone number is 222 222 2222. 5 tutus. Who's new? There's the new. The new is new. 5 tutus. We tutunas love tutus too. Did you ever see a fish wearing a tutu? I have not. 6 and 7 tutus. We need more tutus. But who? I know a you with a new tutu. You do? I do. Woohoo! Yodel-a-hee-you. What's a you? That's a girl sheep. There's the you. 8 tutus. The elephant is sad. I wish I had a tutu too. I have 2 tutus. I can share my blue tutu. A tutu for me, a tutu for you. Isn't that nice of the alligator? 9 and 10 tutus. We love our 10 tutus. Enough with the tutu talk already. It's time to, what do you think the animals are going to do? Dance! Whew. I think they're tired. They all laid down on the ground to take a nap. And that's the end. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.